In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download a purchase from Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. After purchasing a product on Gumroad, you can usually download it directly from your receipt email or from your Gumroad library. This gives you access to your purchased files, digital products, or membership content. Now, if you want to download a purchase from Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into the account or email you used to make the purchase. Next, go to the library section from your dashboard. After that, look for the product you purchased. Then, open the product details page and look for the download or access option. You can also access your purchase directly from the receipt email sent after checkout. Open your email inbox and search for the Gumroad receipt or purchase confirmation email. After that, click on the View Content or Download button inside the email. This will take you to the Product Access page where you can download your files or access the purchased content. If you cannot find the receipt email, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder because some email providers may filter Gumroad emails automatically. Then, make sure you are checking the same email address used during checkout because purchases are connected to that email account. If you still cannot access the product, contact Gumroad support and provide your purchase details so they can help recover your download access. Usually, download issues happen because of missing receipt emails, incorrect login accounts, or spam filtering problems, so carefully checking your inbox and library normally fixes the issue quickly. That's it. By accessing your receipt email or Gumroad library properly, you can download your Gumroad purchases and access your content successfully.